Hello everyone, Merce here and we're going to talk about how to use the Rebel University. First up, what is the Rebel University? The Rebel University is a website that contains the knowledge base of Rebel Internet. Here you will find courses and SOPs used by the company for its operations. The website was created using the Aduma WordPress theme by ThemePress. This WordPress theme was developed for LMS or Learning Management System, which is used for e-learning courses. Currently, we have 4 sections in our university: the onboarding section, project manager courses, SEO expert courses, and the SOP section. The first 3 sections, the red sections, contains courses you can take to become familiar with the tasks that Rebel employees perform. These courses will probably change over time because we are always updating our content. The last section, the standard operating procedures section, contains all the SOPs of the company. Let's check the onboarding section first. The onboarding section familiarizes new employees about Rebel. This section has the job roles course, which explains the roles of the members of the company. And it also contains the how to use Trello course, which is very important because we use Trello every day. Let's go to the project manager courses. The Project Manager Courses section shows courses that can help new and veteran project managers become good at performing their work. So if you are an aspiring project manager, you should check out this section. Next is the SEO expert courses. The SEO expert courses contains curriculums that teaches how one can become an SEO expert. We should expect this section to change as SEO is a transitional or ever-changing field. Next is the SOP section. You can access the SOP here, all SOPs. The SOP section is where we'll find the standard operating procedure of the company. We'd probably visit this section more often to check how a certain procedure is done. So to check or find a certain SOP, try typing how to. And there you go. The search results will show some of the SOPs that have this search term how to. So how do we take courses in the Rebel University? Let's try taking a course. Let's try course in the project manager courses. Then try PM know-how. On the right side, you will find the course features. So for this course, there are 5 lectures, 0 quizzes. Take note that some courses will have quizzes. This course doesn't have any quiz. The duration, 50 hours for this one. Skill level, all levels. Language, English. Assessments, yes. So to take this course, just press the take this course button. Then, on the curriculum tab, you will find that you have 9 weeks, 6 days remaining to finish the course. To start, press the lecture 1.1, find affiliate links networks. Now, try to read the whole page, the whole lecture, and then once you understand what the lecture is all about, just press complete. Do you want to complete lesson? Okay. And there you go. You have completed Find Affiliate Links Networks. So again, checking the curriculum tab. Once you have finished the lecture, you will see a check mark on the right side. So just proceed and finish all the lectures, and that's how you take a Rebel course in the Rebel University. Another important section of the university is the blog section. The blog section contains all the updates about the company. This is where all the events and activities of the company are posted. So everyone in Rebel should subscribe to this blog. So that's it. That's how we use the Rebel University. Most important parts are the courses and the SOP and the blog section. Those are usually the most important section of the university. So, thank you for listening.